Hello, my friends. Hope everybody's doing good out there. So last week I bought a t-shirt from Cali Reseller Luis, and I've gotten shirts from before that he sent in a box, but I never got one that came in a priority mailbox, and it kind of feels a little heavy, so I think there might be some bonus action in there. Well, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, yeah. Now, Cali Reseller Luis hooked it up. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Thanks, man. These hats are nice, dude. Thanks for hooking it up, man. These are made really good. Look at that. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. And then we got the Snoop shirt all wrapped up real super good. Let's check that out. Oh, it looks nice too. Now this one's cool because you can feel the Snoop. Can you feel it? Well, I can feel it. Yeah, it's a nice shirt. He hooked it up. He always hooks it up. Yep, nothing on the back, but yeah, it's a good one. AAA tag. Got a good deal on it. And got the bonus hat. That thing's awesome. These are made really good. Thanks, Luis. I appreciate it. You rock, man.